This is our third video in this Hungarian series. In our first video, we visited Budapest's famous baths called... no chance I'm going to try and pronounce that.
Széchenyi.
Then, in episode 2, we tried some local Hungarian foods. If you've watched us for a little bit of time, then you know we're not massive food people, but we know how important it is to try and get into the culture that way. So we've been trying to push ourselves a little bit. We're getting there. And we got our first look at Budapest Christmas markets at night. Today is the start to our second full day here in Budapest. We plan on revisiting some of our old favourites from our first trip back in 2018 and checking out another Christmas market in the centre of the city. We started the day off, of course, with our free hotel brekkie and Megan trying to make a fool out of me.
Brilliant.
Why does that even exist?
We're going to the alley that we went to for years ago.
Yeah, when we were here. This is our second time to Budapest. We came in May 2018. Is there a car behind me?
Yeah. We got a car behind me.
We came in May 2018,
yeah.
Or May 2017? It was May
18, yeah.
So the weather was obviously a lot nicer than it is today. We really actually didn't do anything.
There's just a load of cars, so...
Yeah, we really didn't do anything. We kind of just got drunk.
Yeah, ate food.
Like, we didn't even go to the famous baths. We went to like a more local version that was like right beside our hotel. We stayed on like the Buddha side.
We were young and dumb.
But one of the things we did do was the alley that we're going to now.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to revisit it.
Yep.
I think this is it, kiddo.
Maybe.
Bloody course there is, on the left. Bloody course there is. Read the sign.
A lush.
It follows you.
It follows me everywhere I go.
It's a different type of blush. Do you read what it says?
Yeah, it's the same logo.
Oh, kiddo. There. 6 rooftop bar. That was it. And we went through that door.
Basically, we were here, as Fiona said, a couple of years ago, and Fiona was like, oh, I found this really good rooftop bar. I was like, cool, let's go. We went, and she met us outside like an arcade, and then she brought us through this weird car park.
Sure, it brought us through this arcade.
This car park. This is an arcade. This is the arcade.
But if you go through that door there, which doesn't look like it, it goes to a
and
car
for
park.
no joke, like 3 minutes, I was like, that's it. Like, we're gonna be killed.
That's it, we're done.
I was like, taken, like, this is it. And then we got upstairs, and it was
a really nice rooftop bar, and it was reasonably priced.
Yeah.
So if you want to take the risk, this place.
Interesting.
What? You don't remember that, do you?
No.
If you want to visit this alleyway, then just Google Guzduvarд. And if you're anything like us and don't know how to spell it or pronounce it, here it is. Ding. There's tons of things to do, see and eat here. It doesn't have to be the winter time. When we came for the first time in May 2018, they had loads of summer decorations up and everything. It's a really nice place to be. It just happens to be a lot nicer with all the Christmas decorations around. However, if you come during the day, especially early afternoon, late morning, some of the places will still be closed. It seems to be more of a night place, but we've never been there at night, so we can't really say what it's like, but most of the places kind of seem like it's early evening, late night bars, dinner kind of place. But as you can see, if you come in the daytime, it's still a pretty cool place to hang out. There she goes with her reels.
I need you to take one for me.
How you feeling? Look behind you.
Everywhere. They love Starbucks here. Everywhere. She loves Starbucks.
They love Starbucks.
All Hungary.
I love Starbucks.
They love Starbucks.
Lars! They love Starbucks. Hey, go to Starbucks! They have a special for Americans!
Where's the Starbucks?
That Starbucks, it's anywhere you look, okay?
Fionn, insert Eurovision meme.
I love Starbucks.
You love Starbucks?
I love Starbucks.
Give me my start.
I'm going to say good night.
No, it's not funny.
You love it. I know you do.
No.
How cute were they though?
They're pretty cute.
And they were playing together. Did you get your Starbucks again?
I love Starbucks.
That is the place where the both of us look really, really young and really awkward sitting right there.
Yep.
It was,
We were very drunk and we had a flight that day.
She's angry because she didn't get the right flavour of Starbucks.
Yeah, I did. Mine was delicious. He's being a little dick. Go on, rock, paper, scissors. If I win, you stop being a little dick. If you win, you stop being a little dick. Let's go. No, you have to stop. Either way. It just hurts more.
Then what's the point of the proper scissors?
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
I win! What is that? That's fire! Beats everything!
You want Christmas markets?
I'm sorry, say it into my good ear. Actually, just say it into the lens.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, say it again.
I said, I'm sorry that you're such a demanding bitch.
Try it one more time.
I apologize.
For what exactly? Walking off like a little kid. He does that a lot. I'd accept your apology. In return, you may direct me to the Christmas market.
You got it, boss. You got it. Oh, no.
Oh, look, it's dried fruit.
They smell good. Smell really Christmassy.
Oh my god, they do.
Can I try?
What do you use them for?
It's like a
Almost ate it. But what do you use it for?
like hanging around the room. I think there's something Manta would love.
I'm gonna get this. This is for
We got
the aromatherapy thing that I have.
Oh
It's
yeah,
that.
the perfect smell of Christmas if that was okay.
Where to put these?
This one?
Yeah.
We can hang on the Christmas tree.
Ah, okay, okay.
Oh, you hang on the tree. Oh,
Oh, cool. Should I get one?
yeah.
Do you think it would hold up?
Make your room smell amazing. Go for it.
Do
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
I want to ask how long they like hold up. Do you think it's just a year? Like Christmas season? Like a season?
I'd say it'll always have a little bit of scent, always.
No.
But in terms of like smelling up a room, yeah, it would only do a year.
Like
It's actual fruit.
yeah.
Wow.
Like it's the thing that's in the mulled wine.
Yeah.
So do you think
That's why it
it would
smells.
last like a season? Like this
Or
Christmas
two, yeah. A strong smell, only one season, I'd say so, yeah.
So I'll get this for sure. Will I get one of them? Will I ask how long they like last maybe?
She's just gonna say forever. You know she is. How long does it last?
A month.
A month, which is perfect. That's what you need it for.
So I'm just gonna get one of these. I think. Because this will last me like a year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Like what is that?
It's schnapps, Hungarian schnapps.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So
At least we get to try a Hungarian drink. But I do.
we
The
ordered
price
mulled wine.
is
It's supposed to be 1,200. What's the currency here?
1,200 franc. Huffs.
And then I checked my Revolut, not sponsored by Revolut, and it was €19.20, which is 8,000 huffs. And I was like, the fuck? Went back up, and she was like, it's magic wine. And I was like, like magic wine.
And as you can see, it looks exactly like mulled wine. But
It's
what
a
it
little
is wine and a mixture of
Hungarian schnapps. Palinka, which is Hungarian schnapps. So it's magic wine.
Which is great. We get to try the local thing, but it's so
It's great because we get to try the
expensive.
local things, but it's 4 times the price of the mulled wine, which is what this is. It's just with Hungarian schnapps. So yeah, try the local foods, guys.
Cheers. This better be the best thing you've ever tasted.
Is that legal though? Mixing wine and a thing?
We're about to find out.
I feel like they're gonna be like on the floor in about 4 seconds. And this is gonna be a fun day. Cheers!
Aww.
I was about to say it and my phone tapped. Pisses me off.
So wait, it says hot wine there. So is that the same thing?
No, they have mulled wine there.
Yeah, that's the most. Sorry, yeah, that's the most annoying thing. Right beside it. is
Right
mulled
beside
wine.
it is.
And we did
is
say mulled wine.
in Hungarian, but it's called like
Pretty much, they used their currency and their language to their advantage. It's pretty much. What can you do?
What can you do? I mean, everyone does it, but it just hurts a little more when it comes from your pocket. Hot and spicy sangria.
Also, doesn't that tree look a lot like the Rockefeller tree?
Yes, in
It
the
gives
Home
us
Alone scene.
Rockefeller.
Well, we were in Rockefeller, but it does look like one.
We were in Rockefeller.
For all of you plebs out there, no. I'm
For
joking.
people.
I don't put that in. I don't put that in. For all of the people who are not as well travelled. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Just one more.
Don't be an asshole.
I haven't got any more. Okay, if people that know Home Alone, it looks like the tree from Home Alone.
Well-
It's in New York City.
Also, we've seen it in person because we were lucky enough to be in Times Square for New Year's Eve for the
2017.
going into 2018.
Yeah.
and we stayed really close to Rockefeller Centre, so we got up a couple of mornings really early. Well, jet lag got us up really early, and we had the Rockefeller Tree to ourselves. It was pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing.
Well, that's it for this installment of our Budapest adventures. Make sure to check out the playlist in the comments below if you want to rewatch any of our previous ones. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!